Hi everyone, today I will be opening this Fix and Fogg Crunchy Peanut Butter. So this one is super crunchy. So first, there's a seal here that guarantees that is fresh from the store, fresh from the factory. So I'll just cut this one. Now it's cut, then I can open. So it's a bit tight, so I'll just use my tool. I have a special tool. Now see it pop up. Now you can see some bit oil on the top. So normally when I just press open the peanut butter, I just mix it up. Make sure that the knife is clean. So you will mix the oil and reach to the bottom. Otherwise, if you don't mix it, then you will first consume the oil. Then the bottom will be very hard at some point. So a lot of peanut. Yeah, really crunchy. So I'll just try with the bread. Just a little bit. Okay, spread here. Some more. Get some more. Then I'll try. First I will close the lid. Then maybe I can just fold this one. Then try. Tastes good. Okay, that's it. So this one is Fix and Fogg. Thank you for watching.